welcome to DIY Everything. Today we're going to be unboxing this super cool Deluxe LOL present surprise. I have never seen this before, so I'm really excited. Let's get started. So for the first step, what you've got to do is pull these. Wink. So you see the gift box wrapping, it goes away. And then you've got to undo this like that. Wow, I love the background pattern. Okay, I'm gonna take it off from the sides. Okay, and we can put this on the side here. So, or I'm just gonna put that there. So now we've got this super awesome surprise. Let's open it. I can see inside, guys. Oh, it looks amazing. Like super cool. Oh my gosh, these look like little mini LOL surprises. So which one should I start with? I think I'm gonna start with this pink one. So I'm gonna have to peel the wrapping somehow. Let's just peel. Ugh. It's not peeling. Oh, there we go. No. Okay. It's all peeled. And now we're gonna crack it open. Ready? Crack. Oh. There's confetti on the insides. Awesome confetti. Oh, this bottle is so cute. But just look at this. Confetti. I love confetti. It's awesome. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna put this away later. Just brush it off to the side. Now let's open this pearl blue one. Ooh, it seems heavy. Okay, let's peel. No. Okay. It's not peeling, this one. Hey. That's not good. Oh, there it is. There we go. There it is. Oh, ow. Oh man, this isn't peeling. Okay, there we go. Not peeled. Anyways, so now we're gonna crack it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that didn't work. Sand! Fizzy sand. Wait, where's the surprise? Oh, it's probably in the sand, right? So fuzzy and soft. Oh, I feel it. What is it? It's a swimsuit. It's so cute. Oh! I bet our doll would enjoy wearing this super cute outfit collection. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can like put the sand back in the ball. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna just put it on top in this lid. Okay, and then close it. There we go, it's closing. Okay. Let's open this one now. Okay, so let's peel. Oh, this is an easy one to peel. Oh, I can kind of see what's inside. But I can't really tell so well. But I think there's confetti inside. Oh, there we go. Oh, it is confetti! Awesome! Oh, this dress is beautiful, guys. I bet our doll would love it. Okay, now we're gonna do this blue one. It's completely non-translucent. Dad, are you recording? Okay, so we're gonna peel. Ooh, and that was an easy one to peel. More sand, guys! I think we should open the sand ones in the end now that we know the surprise. So we'll put the sand to the side. So I think mostly the blue ones are the ones which have sand and the pink ones are like confetti. I think this one is gonna have sand. What do you guys think? Sand again! Well, let's just open it. Ooh. Oh, I see a shoe. Okay, here's a shoe. Okay, I'm just gonna put this back in. Oh, these shoes are so cute, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think of those shoes. Okay, this is just gonna have to wait. Ugh, so dirty. Okay, next up, we want this ball. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. There's a little jacket and the little pantsies. Anyways, we've got to open the next layer. Oh wait, oopsies, I forgot about this one, guys. Let's open it. There's sand inside. Let's see what we can get. Oh, it's hard. I think it's a hairband or something. Ugh. Oh. Sunglasses! Adorable. Okay, let's just put the sand back in because I think we've got enough time. Close. Okay. Now this place is like a mess. So I'm just gonna brush it off all over the side. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, brush. Okay, now we've got this to open, as you guys can see. So let's take off this layer. Oh, this is just a... Okay, so we've taken off this layer, and under it, there's this one. So cool! Awesome! There's a little party invitation. Stick these sunglasses onto the pet. LOL Deluxe present surprise party. Decorations, all this stuff in the back, but we'll see that in the end. Oh my gosh. Guys, there is this gigantic fizz. It's huge. And we're going to need water, in fact, for this. It's a water surprise. But if you want to see it, you're gonna have to go to the next video. I'm really sorry, guys, but you're gonna have to go to the next video. It's gonna be titled Unboxing LOL Present Surprise Part 2. Anyways, bye guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And please check out the next video, which I'm gonna be showing you this amazing fizz. Bye.